Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to fix if your headphone, the microphone is not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So we need to check whether it's detected by the computer or not. So if it's a external hardware, like you're using a headphone or microphone or any other device through which you are recording, please ensure you try to change the USB port. And if you're using a 2.1 mm jack, then also try to change that. All right. So ensure that your device is connected or not. And then just do the right click in the start icon, that on the sound icon, and then go to sound settings. All right. And here you will find output and input. So please ensure in the input section your device is there and you have selected that device. All right. So once you have selected your device, your headset, your microphone, or your headphone, and then just scroll down and click on this more sound settings. Once you open up the more sound settings, a very small window will appear, and here we need to go to this recording section since we are troubleshooting for headphone, microphone, or headset, the way you call it. So here we need to check your headphone is right there and it should be default, and then just do a double click on that, go to levels and increase the volume of it. All right, and then click on apply on that. And your headset, your microphone should not be, disconnected or disabled. If it's disabled, you can simply do the right click and you can enable it. Right. So this is how you can fix your microphone, the headphone, if it's not working in your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. All right, you can try that and do let me know in the comment section if this issue has fixed. And if yes, please hit the like and subscribe, and please do let me know in the comment section as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.